Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Void Loop Robotech and Automation. Today's video we will explore FreeRTOS Auto-Reload Timer using Arduino Uno. You will learn how to create aperiodic software timers and understand their behavior in real-time applications. So let us get started step by step. This is previous lecture code, one short timers with 5 seconds. This is timer create function with its parameters, and this is timer callback function. It will be called only one time and print this message when 5 seconds will be completed after once timer start. Okay. Now let us upload the code and test. Click on upload. You can see code has been uploaded. Let us open the serial monitor. After 5 seconds, the message will be printed here. Wow, great. You can see the message has been printed here. It will not print it again because it is one short timer. Okay. So friends, it means our code is working well. Now we will move to create auto reload timer. In auto reload timer, the callback function will be called frequently. Okay. So let us move ahead. Now go to the file and save as, type here auto reload timer, then save. Let us keep 500 millisecond, it means 5 second period, and many important thing to change the parameters in X timer create. Third parameter will be PD true. It enable the auto reload timer. Okay. Now change the timer name auto reload timer. And next change the callback function name PRV auto reload timer callback. Okay, copy and paste here. Now change the print message auto reload timer callback function executed. This message will be printed in every 5 seconds. Now code is ready. It is time to upload the code. Go to tools and select the port, processor type and board. Now click on upload. Okay, the code has been uploaded. Let us open the serial monitor and you will see message will be printed here. Great. You can see message is printing in every 5 seconds. Wow. That's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this video on auto reload timer with FreeRTOS and Arduino. If you found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.